So we're finishing up building a little gate we're going to stick up by the patio, and we've got the fence pretty well all knocked out. Gates are all built, but up there we're going to do a wrought iron out of the sucker rod, and this is a fitting that screwed the sucker rod together. We just cut it off, and then we make the hinge out of this, and then we take that little flat bar on there, and then that'll go down there on each end of this gate. Then it'll swing to where you can put your foot in there, but you can't climb the gate. And so then this will screw in all the way, and these things make real stout hinges, and you just crack that back 3 cracks, and there's your hinge. And that thing sets like this on here, and then we'll weld that to here, and then we've got a piece here that's cut out for the post that we're going to weld to, and then this just sets on there like a pedestal, and then that'll be what your gate swings on. And then the water will always run off of this thing, so it's always going to turn. So we'll show you when we get done hanging it.